What's up guys, AndySquid here, back for another video, and today I'm playing some more System Shock, so let's begin. Okay, let's go in here. Hi dude. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Cool. What does this thing do? Huh. Let's just... Wait, what? What? What?
Access needed.
Oh, that was a ghost. Okay. Die. Okay, let's go up here. Nothing in there. Whoa. Not cool. Okay, good. No, I'm just gonna take this shit and then I'm just gonna leave. Cause I don't want to get my freaking face exploded off. That's not cool. Okay. Hey, dude. Oh, wait. Okay. Good.
Well done. I'm uploading some more modules.
Oh, what? Who are you? Fuck off. Shit. Bye. Go away. Go away, you smelly bitch. Go away. Shit.
That insipid computer Xerxes has shut down the elevator as well.
Oh no.
Transfer power the engine core on deck 1, which will get the elevator up and running again. But you can't use the elevator to get down the... Xerxes has control of the ship's security system. Avoid or destroy any security cameras.
No.
You can hack security computers to power down the cameras too, if you're good enough. But don't launch the job, or you'll set off the alarm yourself. Each deck has a chemical storeroom where you can find the resources you need to research the artifacts you'll find around the ship. Don't try to carry around all the chemicals at once. It's impractical and unnecessary. Your research software will tell you what chemicals it needs and when.
Maybe I shouldn't have done that. You know what? I'm just gonna stick with it. I don't fucking care. Holy shit, that scared the crap out of me. Die. That scared me shitless. Oh, cool. I don't have any ammo, do I? Oh shit, I do. Come at me, zombies. Come at me. Wait, why did I just say zombies? It's called zombies. But I know they're not zombies, they're mutants. They're called the Many. Hello? Die, you bitch. Shit, I don't have any more ammo. Come at me, bruh. And you're dead. Die, you bitch. Die. Fuck off. Okay. This is not cool. No. No. Not cool, bruh. Not cool. No. No. Yep, I have to kill him, don't I? Oh, shit. Horse shit. Okay. Oh no, I can't go in there. Okay. Can I do anything now? No. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. What is this? A can of cola. Okay. Okay. Can I break it with the wrench? Can I break the glass? No, I'm just gonna try. I don't think it's gonna work, but you know what? No, what? What's the game glitching? Don't glitch on me right now. Come on. Just stop it. And now I'm stuck. Oh, good. Okay. Let's go. No, can't break it. Okay, then let's change to the gun again. Okay, good. Let's go in here. No, nothing. I don't know what to do. I have no fucking clue what to do.
Hi there. Please make your selection.
Okay. What? Thanks, I guess. What am I supposed to do? Where am I gonna get that? Yeah, where am I gonna get that? Did I miss something? Did I miss something back here? No. Whoa, that scared the crap out of me. Okay, let's look. No save. Are you shitting me? But yeah, see you next time, guys. I guess we didn't get to the checkpoint, so I'm not gonna do all that fucking again. But yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye.